I want to show you how to create a donut progress chart in Excel that, basing on the checkbox selected, will show you progress. Now let's select this range, go to Insert, and add checkboxes. Once done, go here and enter this COUNTIF and COUNTA formula. So we can get the completed percentage based on the checked checkboxes. Then to get the missing one, just go below and equal 1 minus, select the cell of done and press enter. Select two cells, go home, and click on the percentage. Now select our data, go to Insert, and pick a Doughnut Chart. Remove these fields, place it here, and adjust it. Double-click to remove the fill color and background. Pick the series and reduce the whole size to 30%. And then change the color of the series and add a border. Once done, select this task range, go to Conditional Formatting, click on the first checkbox, press F4 twice, and enter True. So we can select our formatting. By the fill, choose the color white. By the font, click 2 times on the strike-through. Confirm, and that's it. We now have our donut progress chart in Excel. Selecting or deselecting the values will change. Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.